no regrets if tomorrow never come. Cause this is my time, I let him go. And every second's a blessing from above. It's like a feeling I can't control. It's in the ways I want to wave, I want to whine. So if they tell me I have to go, no, no, oh no, I go take a wind down low, then I go in and wind up so, and take a jump until morning, fet till I falling, soaking wet, and I up in every fet. It could be hot sun or stormies, fet till I falling down, say look I'm falling.